Then uses of hydrogen chloride. The first use in the manufacture of chlorine, that is Cl2 gas, comma ammonium chloride and glucose. To manufacture chlorine gas and ammonium chloride and glucose, we are using hydrogen chloride. Already you studied how to prepare chlorine from hydrogen chloride, and in chemical properties we have studied ammonium chloride preparation from ammonia and chlorine hydrogen chloride, and this can be studied in later. Then second one, in the extraction of glue from bones. In the extraction of glue from bones, this is a type of fluid present in the bones. To extract that fluid, we are using this hydrogen chloride. And in the purification of bone black. So in the purification of bone black and extraction of glue from bones, we are using hydrogen chloride. Then next one, in medicine and as a laboratory reagent. So observe, to prepare medicine means to prepare any tablets in the form of salts. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ reagent. These are the uses, means some uses of hydrogen chloride. The first use is manufacture of chlorine gas and ammonium chloride solid, then glucose solid. And in the extraction of glue from bones, that is a fluid from bones, and purification of bone black. Then in the medicine, that is in the manufacture or preparation of medicine, and it is used as a laboratory reagent. Then next one, oxo acids of halogens. Oxo acids of halogens. Oxo acids is nothing but acids combined with oxygen. The resultant compound or obtained compound we call oxo acids. Here observe, due to high electronegativity and small size of fluorine forms only one oxo acid. So observe, we are studying oxo acids of halogen. Halogens is nothing but fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, then yttrium. Here this yttrium is not studied because radioactive. These are the halides: fluoride, chloride, bromine and iodine. Here the fluorine is a first halide, that is high electronegative element in the periodic table, and it is small in size compared to these halogens. Hence it forms only one oxo acid, that is HOF, hypofluorous acid. This is called hypofluorous acid or fluoric 1 acid. This one is nothing but oxidation state, that always we are written in parenthesis in Roman number. Parenthesis alli Roman number alli bariತೀವಿ. Parenthesis is nothing but this bracket. This is called hypofluorous acid or fluoric 1 acid. This only one acid formed by fluorine due to its high electronegativity and small size. Important, remember, due to small size of fluorine and high electronegativity nature, it forms only one stable oxide, that is hypofluorous acid or fluoric 1 acid. But however other halides form several oxo acids. Several oxo acids. Most of them cannot be stable or cannot be isolated easily. Cannot be isolated easily in pure form. Pure form. Most of the these alloxo acids are formed, but these are unstable and we can't isolate easily in pure state or pure form. But they are soluble in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution is nothing but water. ಆದರೆ ಇವೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Some oxo acids are halogens or, so write first one, halic 1 acid. Halic 1 acid or we call hypohalous acid. Then halic 3 acid, important, observe, very very important, halic 3 acid or we call halous acid. Then halic 5 acid or we call halic acid. Halic is nothing but halogen. Then next one, halic 7 acid or we call ferhalic acid. These are the 4 types of halides, those formed by halogens. So observe, halic 1 acid means halogen containing only halogen having only one oxidation state. Here halic 3 is nothing but the halogens having plus 3 oxidation state. 5 plus 5 oxidation state. 7 means halogen having plus 7 oxidation state. It means around halogen there is a 7 bonds ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ಸು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಸುತ್ತು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನಾವು ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ hypohalous acid, ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ HOF, 1 fluorous acid. First one, you know fluorine is form only one halous acid, that is hypofluorous acid. Its name is hypofluorous acid. Then next one, chlorine. Take HO, fluorine in place of fluorine, write chlorine. That is called hypochlorous acid. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವೋ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಹೈಪೋಕ್ಲೋರಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, HOBr. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ hypobromous acid. Then similarly take iodine, HO, high. In place of bromine write high. What its name? Hypoiodous acid. Then similarly take halic 3 acid. 3 acid ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Before writing 3 acid, just observe the structures of these halo acids, hypohalous acid. Now write hydrogen is monovalent, H, bond, oxygen is divalent, oxygen, then bond, fluorine is monovalent, fluorine. This is the structure of hypofluorous acid. But actually this is not a linear structure, it is in a bent structure due to the presence of 2 pairs of lone pair electrons on oxygen. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಲೈಕ್ H bond O bond F, like bend shape. Remember, always we are writing like that only, that is bend shape, because its structure is bend shape due to the presence of two pairs of lone pair electron on oxygen. Now observe, similarly write for this hypochlorous acid, H bond oxygen bond chlorine. Remember, important for 1 mass to write the structure of hypochlorous acid or hypofluorous acid or bromous acid or iodous acid. Now for bromine, H O bond Br. Here H O bond iodine. So observe, around halogen there is only one bond. Therefore we are writing one halic acid. This is the oxidation state. Then now take next one, halic 3 acid. Halic 3 acid, for fluorine it won't form. I already told, because it form only one oxo acid, so it won't form. Then for chlorine, the next one, HOClO again. That is, there is a 2 oxygen atom, hence we call halous acid. ಹ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಹೈಪೋ ಹ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಹ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ H O and O becomes O2 and Cl. Either you write like that or like. Now its name is hallous acid, means hallous means chlorine, that is chlorous acid. Now write its structure. H, there is oxygen bond oxygen, there is a chlorine bond Cl, same as it is. Now there is one more oxygen, that is oxygen is divalent, so write double bond O. Now observe, around chlorine how many bonds are there? 1 2 3. Around chlorine there is a 3 bonds, hence we are writing oxidation state 3, that is chlorous acid. Its oxidation state is 3 for chlorine. Then similarly for bromine and iodine, the hallous acid won't form, ಫಾರಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ bromine iodine is less electronegative compared to the chlorine, therefore the reactivity decreases down the group. Then similarly for halic acid, this fluorine won't form, and the chlorine form all acids, that is HOClO2. One more oxygen we are increasing. So here there is 2 oxygen, but here there is 3 oxygen. This can also be written as HO 3 times Cl. So name it. There is halic acid, that is chloric acid. Now try to write its structure. That is, there is hydrogen and oxygen bond oxygen, and there is a chlorine bond chlorine. And how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens. So put double bond O, 1 to 3 bonds here, but there is 5 oxidation state. So put 2 bonds and 1 oxygen. So that can be also be written like, observe, this can also be written like, that is chlorine, there is 2 oxygen double bond O, and double bond O, there is 1 OH bond OH. This can also be written like that. Then next one for bromine, that is HOBrO2, or it can also be written as HO3Br. Its name is bromic acid. Now its structure is OH bond Br double bond O. Like around bromine how many bonds are there? 5. Similarly write for iodine, that is HOIO2. Its name is what? Iodic acid. And its structure is HO, that is HO bond iodine, there is 2 oxygen double bond O. This is iodic acid. Similarly write for halic 7 acids, that is called for halic acid. The fluorine doesn't form. This is fluorine, bromine, iodine. For fluorine, chlorine, and for bromine and for iodine. Now write perhalic acid. To write perhalic acids, the fluorine doesn't form, and for chlorine, H increases one more oxygen, HOClO3. Its name is perchloric acid. Perchloric acid. Now write its structure. There is OH, OH, bond, Cl. There is 3 oxygen atoms, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Now observe how many atoms are, how many bonds are there around chlorine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hence we are writing 7. Similarly, for bromine, HOBrO3. Its name is perbromic acid. Its structure is OH, bond Br, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. And similarly write for iodine, HO high O 3 times. Its name is periodic acid. And write its structure, OH, OH or HO, bond iodine, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. How many bonds are there around iodine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is called periodic acid, or we call iodic 7 acid. Iodic 7 acid. Why we are mentioned 7 here? The oxidation state of iodine is 7. Okay. So I hope you are understanding. Here the most important is this chlorous acids. These chlorous acids are very important for the purpose of examination. They may ask for 2 marks or 1 mark. So ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಹೈಪೋಕ್ಲೋರಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್, how they form and what are these structures. So remember.